Is it back? Hello? Is it back? If it's back, yay! Okay, cool. Also, Bubbles. They. But it's okay. I'll keep reminding you. It's just I'm supposed to be full screen camera. Guys, that's how it's supposed to be. I'll turn it to the game soon. Guys, I know. I put it that way. Guys, chill. Guys, I put it to Facecam full screen. Guys, chill. Guys, I know. Yes, my Facecam is full screen. That's fine. I will change it to the game in a little bit. My goodness. I have one scene that's just Facecam, which is what you're seeing right now. And I have, like, the other scene that's LP gamer style. But yeah. Okay. Are you guys ready for the game now? Alright, we're staying in Facecam longer because I've been booped. This is what you guys get now. You've got this, Bubbles. As long as I can see that you're trying, I will give you plenty of chances, don't worry. No. It's fine, Bubbles. As long as I can see that you're trying, and actually see that, I will give you all the chances in the world. I will give you all the chances in the world. As long as I can see that you're trying. If for example, if I can't see that you're trying, then that's where I'm gonna get pissed off. Wait, no, Bubbles, please no. Please don't. Please don't hurt yourself because you're getting it wrong. Like I said, I can see that you're trying, so you'll be fine. As long as you're trying with me, I'll give you all the chances in the world. I don't care. As long as I can see that you're trying. I'm gonna go to the game now. And I bet that you will get it soon. And I bet that you will get it. And I believe in you. And anyone else who's new with my pronouns thing. As long as you're trying, I don't care. Actually prove that you're trying though. Or I'm just gonna get mad. But I'm gonna get to the game now. My Facecam's still here. And the game's back. Crap. Aw, man. I save and quit, and I come back, and I just lost 2 of them. Damn it! Oh, man. Oh, I lost 2 of them. Oh, damn it. Okay. You know what? It's okay. That'll be fine. No need to worry too much. But as long as I have enough of the ports... Oh, yeah. Okay. Guys. Please no. No boop. I'm trying to focus on the game here. Please no boop. Just know I can still see the chat. Even if I'm playing the game. I don't only focus on the chat when I'm in full face cam mode. Alright. Alright. But now that we have the, yeah, guys, can we not overdo it with the booping? Like, if you overdo it with the booping, I'm actually gonna get annoyed. And I don't think y'all would want to see me, like, actually full-blown pissed off. Because I need this. That's like 20, just in case. But yeah, I am trying to make sure that I can actually get progress done with the game, so please don't, like, overdo it with the booping. Y'all are fine, it's just, I want to make sure I can actually get stuff done, so I can upload it, and I will still interact with the chat and stuff. It's just, I don't want the booping to be overdone, because then I'll get annoyed about it everywhere, not just on Twitch, long port shots. But yeah. Because the thing is, I wouldn't just get annoyed about it, like, if it kept going, like, here, I just wouldn't like it anywhere, like, even on Discord, where I know you guys like to do it, so. But, alright, we're gonna keep going and get the progress done. Yeah. Again, I don't want to ruin your fun, but I want to make sure I'm comfortable too. So, but yeah. Noom. Mini slimes. Yeah. Yeah, the music in this game is pretty good, and I'm glad you guys can hear it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make this progress and then probably end it, so. Alright, welcome back. yeah. What? Full screen's gone.
How's your schoolwork? It needs to be done. If I look at it, is it done? Say goodbye until it's done.
Okay.
On top of that, I asked the kitchen to be clean yesterday. If I'm cooking tonight, which I am, I need the kitchen clean. You have till 4:30, which is 3 showers. Plenty of time. Don't call me messy. Mystery. Crazy. I like mystery. We'll call you mystery. Enigma. Sarah Fawcett.
Alright. I'll be able to stream for a little bit longer. But I'm gonna get to this. Right, I need to get this. But yeah, I probably won't be able to stream too much longer, sadly. So sorry that this can't go for too much longer, but it's just how it usually is. But yeah. Yeah. I'm glad you guys are having fun and stuff, but yeah. I actually might stop it here. But yeah. I'll probably have to end it early. Sorry guys, but yeah. So I made sure I saved. Okay. So alright. Alright guys, I will see you on Discord and stuff. But until next stream, I shall see you later. Bye-bye.